Hi everyone, in this video I will going to solve this nice word problem. The equation we have root of 21 plus root of 33 plus root of 49 plus root of 77 over root of 3 plus root of 11 plus root of 28. So let's get started the solution. In the first step I will going to consider this whole expression x. Root of 21 plus root of 33 plus root of 49 plus root of 77 over root of 3 plus root of 11 plus root of 28. Now in the next step, I will going to split this 21, this 33, 49 and this 77 and this 28. So the next expression we will get here, that is x is equals to, here I'm going to write 3 times 7 plus 3 times 11 plus 7 times 7 plus 7 times 11 over root of 3 plus root of 11 plus root of 4 times 7. Now, next I will going to apply here the radical rule, that is n root of a times b can be written as n root of a times n root of b. I'm going to write all in separate root. So the next expression we'll get x is equals to root of 3 times root of 7 plus root of 3 times root of 11 plus root of 7 times root of 7 plus root of 7 times root of 11 over root of 3 plus root of 11 plus root of 4 times root of 7. Now next, from both these terms, I'm going to take common of root of 3, and from here to here, we're going to take common of root of 7. So the next expression we will get here, x is equals to root of 3, and here root of 7 is remaining, plus root of 11 is remaining. And here we're going to take common of root of 7. Here root of 7 is remaining, plus root of 11 is remaining. Over root of 3 plus root of 11 plus root of 4, we have 2 root of 7. Now next I'm going to here take root of 7 plus 11 common. So here root of 3 is remaining, and from here plus root of 7 is remaining. Over root of 3 plus root of 11. Now in replacement of this, I will going to write root of 7. I will going to write easily root of 7 plus root of 7. Here we have 1, so I'm going to add up, so I'll get the same value. So in replacement of this, I'm going to write here root of 7 plus root of 7. I'm going to rearrange this denominator expression, and the above I'm going to write same as x is equals to root of 7 plus root of 11, root of 3 plus root of 7 over root of 7. I'm going to rearrange with this root of 11, and root of 3 I'm going to rearrange with root of 7. Now here we have the common terms, root of 7 plus 11 on denominator and the numerator, and root of 3 plus 7 we have common on denominator and the numerator. So here I'm going to let m is equals to root of 7 plus root of 11. In replacement of root of 3 plus root of 7, I'm going to consider here root of 3 plus root of 7. Now next I'm going to plug in this m and n in replacement of this expression. We will get x is equals to m times n over m plus n. Now I will going to do the cross multiplication here. So here we will get m plus n over mn is equals to 1 over x. Now this mn is dividing with both this term, so I'm going to write 1 over x is equals to m over mn plus n over mn. Now here this and this is going to be cancelled out, and this n is going to be cancelled out. So the next expression we'll get here, 1 over x is equals to 1 over n plus 1 over m. Now I'm going to plug in the n and m value here. So the next expression we'll get here, 1 over x is equals to 1 over n. And value we have root of 3 plus root of 7 plus 1 over root of 7 plus root of 11. Now in the next step, I will going to rationalize this both the denominators. I'm going to write 1 over x is equals to 1 over this. I'm going to write this bigger value, root of 7 plus root of 3 times root of 7. I'm going to rationalize, so I'm going to change the sign here, over root of 7 minus root of 3 plus 1 over this. Again I'm going to rearrange, root of 11 I'm going to write the first bigger one, and then I'm going to rationalize root of 11 minus root of 7 over root of 11 minus root of 7. Now here I will going to apply the algebraic identity, that is a plus b, a minus b can be written as a square minus b square. So that equation turns to 1 over x is equals to root of 7. This 1 I'm going to multiply with root of 7 and root of minus root of 3. Over, now we have the positive and negative values. So here I'm going to write root of 7 and whole to the power of 2 minus root of 3 and whole to the power of 3. And for the next term, root of 11 minus root of 7. Here we get root of 11 and whole to the power of 2 minus root of 7 and whole to the power of 2. Here this and this get cancelled, this and this get cancelled, and this square will get cancelled, this and this get cancelled. So the next expression we'll get here, that is 1 over x is equals to root of 7 minus root of 3 over 7 minus 3 plus root of 11 minus root of 7 over 11 minus 7. So this will turn to 1 over x is equals to root of 7 minus root of 3 over 4 is remaining, plus root of 11 minus root of 7. Here again 4 is remaining. Now we have the common denominator, so I'm going to write all the numerators same as 1 over x is equals to 4 root of 7 minus root of 3 plus root of 11 minus root of 7. Now here this is our positive root of 7 and this is negative, so this will going to be cancelled out. So the next question we'll get 1 over x is equals to root of 11 minus root of 3 over 4. Now I'm going to do the cross multiplication here. So this will turn to 4 over root of 11 minus root of 3 is equals to x. I'm going to write in this way, x is equals to 4 over root of 11 minus root of 3. Now I'm going to rationalize the denominator here again. I'm going to multiply that root of 11, now changing the sign, positive root of 3 over root of 11 plus root of 3. Now this 4 is multiplying with this, and this we have the positive and negative sign. So here I'm going to apply the same algebraic identity. So this equation turns to x is equals to 4 times root of 11 plus root of 3 over root of 11 and whole to the power of 2 minus root of 3 whole to the power of 2. This and this going to be cancelled out, this and this going to cancel out. So this will turn to x is equals to 4 times root of 11 plus root of 3 over 11 minus 3. And this will turn to x is equals to 4 root of 11 plus root of 3. Here we will get 11 minus 3 is equals to 8. And this will going to be reduced to 2. So the value of x here we found out, that is x is equals to root of 11 plus root of 3 over 2. So this is the final answer. Thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do hit the like button and please support my channel by subscribing.